Creo Parametric introduces many enhancements to make the process of creating sheet metal parts faster than Pro Engineer Wildfire. One of the biggest enhancements in Creo Parametric is the flat pattern preview function. This unfolds the sheet metal part in a sub-window and also allows for us to preview overlapping geometry, highlighted in red. We can then modify the part in the form state without having to create unbend and bend back features. Another significant enhancement is the part bounding box measurements in the flat pattern preview. In Pro Engineer Wildfire 5, we would have to add measure features to calculate this. Creating a bend feature is also easy by snapping lines to the edges of walls. We can still sketch a section if we want to as well. Once the bend is defined, a preview allows us to refine the direction and angle and make sure it's right the first time. Flat walls can now be added and offset from the attachment point by any distance. This allows us to create a tab in this area in one feature, rather than the two features it would have taken us in Pro Engineer Wildfire 5. We can also create sketched forms in Creo Parametric. In this case, we can sketch a circle and set this form to be a partial piercing. This will automatically offset the section without having to place a form in the desired location using assembly constraints. Lastly, we can sketch another form by adding a racetrack section and then dragging the depth to the desired value. We can add taper and then ensure that we add rounds in the form and the intersection of the form and the walls. In Pro Engineer Wildfire 5, we would have had to create a separate form part to accomplish this, or a quilt with the draft geometry already built in prior to creating the form feature. We've shown some of the key highlights in creating sheet metal parts with Creo Parametric, including new capabilities and streamlined workflows. The result is improved design productivity, as even in this short comparison, I saved 49% of the time taken to achieve the same result with Creo Parametric compared to Pro Engineer Wildfire.